Hello. Little doggy. She's watching makeup tutorials. That's my niece. Loser. Say hi.
What? What's up with your camera?
It's you, because you're that red.
No.
Yeah.
Can you?
So I wanted to get a new camcorder, and yeah, I bought one. It's not awkward at all, is it? Sony HDR-CX190. Open box too. Open box. I don't give a shit if it's open. It's still almost brand new. So trust open box items at Best Buy. And I like how there's a USB attachment on it already, so I don't need another USB, a long USB to plug it in. Full 1080p, I think. It works with iMovie, perfect. And I bought it for $209. It used to be $300. See, open item. $209. Save me $100. $100. Jeez. What a troll! Comes with the manual. 15% off eligible accessories. Has a limited warranty, but I did buy warranty from Best Buy. 30 something bucks, $35 for a year. For any water damage, cosmetic damage, or anything. It was good. Oh, and a flash drive, because it doesn't have the other one, what is it, the 210, I think, has the 8 gig flash drive. This doesn't come with it, so it has to have an external SD card, but it's okay. The charger, 2 parts, I guess. Battery. Ooh, component cable. So plug it into the TV. I'd rather get the HDMI cable, but this will do. I don't really use these, but just in case. Nothing left. Let's close it. And the actual camera. It's really small, look at that. It's the size of my hand. Wow. It's not touchscreen though, but I don't really care about the touchscreens. As these, this is where you control it. There's a HDMI output, and it's for the USB. Yes. Another USB port. The zoom is here. Photo mode, and the battery pack goes here in the back, and this is where the USB. Ta-da! Built-in USB cable. It's blurry. Built-in USB. Woo! Just plug it back in there. Here, since I got the battery, and that's for the tripod. I guess people know that already. There we go. Snaps right in. Oh, which one's this for? That's where the SD slot goes. SD card. And extra slots here. No, not that techy, but yeah. You can open and close the shutter. Start stop button in the side here. There you go. Picture a video of my screen. Very small. How small it is. It's like tiny as hell. Plugs. Component cable for the TV and actual. And I'll show you guys a test video. I'll see a picture of my fish tank. Why not? Shut up. Hello, parrotfish hiding over there in the corner. LD tank. Love this tank. My fishes have been here for months. There's another one here somewhere. There you go. Hello, fishy. Hello, other fishy. Where's the tank? Where's the beta? In my room. It's my desk. And it's a gloomy day outside. Raining. Backyard. See how close the zoom is. To focus. Oh, focus on those. So go. Whoa, that's really close. And it's shaky. Sorry about that. Good light setting. Low light setting. There's no light in here, but it's pretty dark in here, and you can still see. Wow. Very nice. There we go. Okay, let me turn the lights on. There we go. Boobage. Thank you for watching. Like it, hate it, whatever. Subscribe to me if you feel like it. And I'll catch you guys later.